Now let us take one more situation. Now move this particle toward the mean position from the same location. That is, particle start oscillating from x equal to a by 2 and moving toward the mean position. Now let us make the circle of radius a again, and this is the corresponding position of the point. Now we need not to explain about the initial position because it is moving toward the mean position. That's why I have made the arrow toward the mean position. Now let us draw a line parallel with the x-axis. It may cut at this position and this position because the particle is moving toward the mean position. That means the corresponding position of the point on the circle should be here. Now for finding the initial phase, what we need to do? We need to join this point, that is red dot, with the center of the circle like this, and this is the initial phase. Initial phase is always measured from the positive x direction toward the angular position of the line. This is the initial phase. Now we know this line is a by 2. This line should also be a by 2. If we draw, that means there is a right angle triangle here, and this angle should be equal to pi by 6 because we know this is a by 2, this is a. So this sine theta should be equal to a by 2 divided by a. That means theta equal to pi by 6. Now we can write the general equation, that is x equal to a sine omega t plus phi naught. We know this is phi naught. Phi naught is the initial phase, and this initial phase, you can observe here, this is the x-axis and we need to find this angle, and this angle is pi by 6. That means this phi naught should be equal to pi minus pi by 6, that equal to 5 pi by 6. Now we can substitute the value of this initial phase in this equation. So the equation of SHM becomes x equal to a sine omega t plus 5 by 6. This is the equation of SHM when particles start oscillating from this location. Now let us take one more situation. Now in this time, let particle start oscillating from the negative displacement side from x equal to minus a by 2 position and moving toward the mean position. So let us draw the oscillation diagram. Okay, you can follow. It is starting SHM from x equal to minus a by 2 and moving toward the mean position. So here we need to draw a circle of radius a again. This is the circle of radius a. We know this is plus a, that is the positive amplitude, this is the negative amplitude, and from O to the plus a, this is the positive displacement side, and from O to minus a, this is the negative displacement side. For making the corresponding position, we need to make the position of the particle at here, and arrow should be in the upward direction like this, and we know this distance is a by 2. For making the corresponding position on the circle, we need to draw a line which is parallel with the x-axis, and you know this is moving toward O. That means the corresponding position should be on this side here, and we know the particle rotate in the counterclockwise sense with the constant angular velocity omega. For finding the initial phase, we need to join that red dot from the center like this. Now we can say if we measure angle from the positive x direction and move in the counterclockwise sense, you can follow the tip of my pen. This is the angle of the initial phase. But we can do one more thing. We can measure the angle in the clockwise sense also from the positive x direction like this. If we measure the angle in this direction or in this sense, we should substitute the negative sign. So here we can substitute phi naught with the negative sign. Okay, you know this line, this dotted line and this line is parallel, and this angle is phi naught. That means this angle should also be phi naught. You can observe this is the right angle triangle and this angle is phi naught. Now we can calculate the magnitude of this phi naught. You know this is a by 2, this is a, so sine phi naught equal to a by 2 divided by a, that equal to 1 by 2. That means phi naught equal to pi by 6. This is the magnitude of this angle. It is not the initial phase. If we substitute the value of phi naught in the general equation of SHM, that is x equal to a sin omega t plus phi naught, we should substitute with the negative sign. So we should write here initial phase equal to minus pi by 6. Now equation of SHM, we can substitute minus pi by 6 here. So the equation of SHM should be equal to a sin omega t minus pi by 6. Well, up to this part we learned how to write the equation of simple harmonic motion in different situations. Now it is time to learn concept application. For this purpose, now let us take one illustration. The equation of motion of a particle is started at t equal to 0 is given by x equal to 5 sin 20t plus pi by 3, where x is in centimeter and t is in second. When does the particle, first part of the question, A, first come to the rest, and B part of the question, first have the zero acceleration, and C part of the question, first have the maximum speed. Okay. So let us analyze the first part of the question, that is first come to the rest. And we are given the equation of SHM in this question is 5 sin 20t plus pi by 3. So let us write this equation. And we know the general equation, that is x equal to a sin omega t plus phi naught. If you compare both equations, this phi naught, that is the initial phase, is equal to pi by 3, and this omega, that is the angular frequency, equal to 20. So let us write this initial phase and angular frequency separately. And one more thing to notice here, this value amplitude is equal to 5 and x is given in centimeter, so it is 5 centimeter. So it is time to transfer this motion, that is this oscillation, into the circular motion. For this purpose, we need to draw a circle of radius equal to amplitude. So let us draw a circle of radius a, right? You can observe here, this initial phase is pi by 3. That means the angular position should lie in the first quadrant. Let us make the angular position of the particle, you can say t equal to 0 here. And in the circular motion, what will happen? The particle will rotate with a constant angular velocity omega in the counterclockwise sense. So this is the corresponding position of the point on the circle. So the initial phase, for the finding the initial phase, we need to draw a straight line joining O to red dot like this, and this phi naught, and we know this phi naught is equal to pi by 3, right? For finding the corresponding position, that is the corresponding oscillating position of the point on the vertical diameter, we need to make the projection of this point on this line. This is the projected position. The particle will oscillate in the vertical diameter with the same angular frequency omega. So this is the position of the oscillating particle. You can observe this oscillating particle will come to the rest when it reaches at this position. You can follow the tip of my pen, that is the positive amplitude position, that is a plus a. And if it travel distance from here to here, during this time this rotating particle will reach to this position traveling this arc length here, this arc length, and you know this angle is pi by 3. That means this angle corresponding to this arc should be equal to pi by 6, that equal to theta. This will be equal to pi by 6, and you know time to cover this distance, because particle is rotating with a constant angular velocity, so time to rotate this arc, this will be equal to t equal to theta divided by omega, and as we discussed, this theta is equal to pi by 6. Now we can substitute the value of theta in this equation, and we know the value of omega, that equal to 20. So this t equal to pi by 6 divided by 20, and this is equal to pi divided by 1/22. This is the time when the particle first come to the rest. Now let us move to the B part of the question, that is first have zero acceleration, right? First have zero acceleration. you know, particle acceleration is 0 at the mean position, and at t equal to 0 particle is located at this point. You can follow the motion of this particle. Particle first will reach to this point where the speed of the particle will become 0, but at the positive amplitude position, that is a plus a position, the acceleration of the particle is maximum and it will be toward the mean position. Because of this acceleration, particle will start moving toward O, and when it reaches at the O, that is the mean position, the speed of the particle will be maximum and acceleration of the particle will be 0. That means the oscillation part is like this. You can follow the tip of my pen. It will move like this and return back and move to this position, that is here. And during this time, this rotating particle will reach to this point here, and the corresponding arc length during motion is this. This is the arc length traveled by the particle. Now let us take this angle as theta, and for finding the time we need to write t equal to theta divided by omega, because this is rotating with a constant angular velocity. So time to rotate this arc length equal to t equal to theta divided by omega, and this theta is equal to, you know, this angle is pi by 6, this angle, and this angle is pi by 2. That means this angle theta should be equal to pi by 6 plus pi by 2, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. That means we got the angle rotated by the particle from this position to this position. Now we can substitute the value of theta here. So this t equal to 2 pi by 3 divided by 20. So this value is pi by 30 second. That means after pi by 30 second, this particle first have the 0 acceleration. Now move to the third part of the question, that is first have maximum speed. You know, the velocity will be maximum when acceleration is 0, and you know this acceleration is 0 at the mean position. This situation will occur when particle reach to the mean position, and we have calculated that time in the B part. That means the time up to this instant should be equal to pi by 30. So we can write here this time when speed is maximum equal to pi by 30 second. Okay.
Dear aspirants, Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Physics books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon or Flipkart.